Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create circle arrows infographic design in Adobe InDesign. Draw a ellipse or circle shape. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Ctrl Shift V. Shift to right side. Again copy Ctrl C and paste in place. Alt Ctrl Shift V. Bring to down. Copy shape. Ctrl C. Select shape and minus back from Pathfinder panel. Before copied shape and now paste in place. Alt Ctrl Shift V. Copy shape before minus back from Pathfinder panel. Before copied shape and now paste in place. Alt Ctrl Shift V. You can give different gradient fill colors. Open color white. Select shape and click on drop shadow from main panel. Mode multiply and opacity 30% and X offset 5 pixel and Y offset 5 pixel and size 5 pixel. Finally, your circle arrows infographic design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create infographic design in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.